whipping us around. Woo! Whoa! This could get whippy with it. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're at Disney's California Adventure theme park here in Anaheim, California. Let's go in there. One thing I really like about DCA here, just like this Hollywood land area that we're in, is they always have like street performers out there, and the characters are in their Hollywood best. Old-timey Hollywood. It's pretty neat. Goofy's getting down. Check out Mickey there in his little outfit. And it like transitions quickly from Hollywood to more like natural California that way. If you go that way, we're not going to go that way yet, but that's Grizzly Peak. And that's how you go to like the Great Californian and Soarin' and stuff. But we're going to keep going back this way to Pixar Pier, I think. This is actually Grizzly Peak on our way over here to Pixar Pier. Got like a little waterfall and stuff. It's pretty neat. And right across from it is where the Avengers campus is going. They got the Spider-Man ride and whatnot. You can sort of see Guardians of the Galaxy peeking up over there behind everything. Pixar Pier's right back there. Actually, you can see the Mickey's Fun Wheel, but we're actually changing plans, going to Cars Land. Mater's Junkyard Jamboree is actually pretty fun. The reason we swerved over here was because this ride is actually really fun, and it's like a straight up walk-on, so we're gonna hit it. There's Eric over there. He's got his Mater. We're on our Mater. Let's get spinning. This one's a little rough. If you're by yourself, you might want to hold on, but it's so much fun. See, it's like trackless, so we're gonna go like whichever direction the wind blows. So we're going this way. See, and Eric went that way. Woo! Kind of like whips us around. Oh, now Eric's right there. Oh, are we gonna? Oh no, we're going this way. Woo! Whipping us around. Woo! Whoa! This could get whippy with it. Oh, there's Eric again. Oh, I think we're about done. Oh, that was so much fun, guys. Woo-hoo. Anytime you can walk on a Maters like that, you got to go for it. So that's why we came over here to Cars Land. But anyway, let's take a look around. Okay, we got Surges. It's like a little gift shop and whatnot. Got lots of cars, toys in there, Matchbox cars and whatnot. And this is what I really like about this place too. Like, I don't know if you see, but Lightning McQueen is driving in over there. He's actually like driving. They like drive him in. Like he walks on stage just like any other character. It's pretty awesome. Flo's V8 Cafe right there. It's really good. We had breakfast there one morning. It's actually pretty good. It's like a diner style. Right back here by Luigi's. That's Luigi's right there. That's the cars for Luigi's. They got the Horde of Plenty, discovered on this spot in 1936. Or, you know, so the sign says. See, this is what I'm saying. We got Mater coming down. This is awesome. I love this how they walk the characters on and off stage like the regular, you know, Disney characters. I love it. Since Luigi's was a walk-on, we're gonna hit this one too. Right behind Luigi's, there's some like construction for the new Avengers campus. This one's a little bit calmer than the Mater thing is, just a little bit. But I want to show you here at the end because you won't be able to see. See, they all like light up, and then they do a little dance at the end of the ride. And this part right here, it really spins pretty good. Eric got the orange one. We got the blue one. The windows are even tinted. I don't think I'm going to record on this thing because you saw at the end when it spins really good. Yeah, it's hard to hold on to the camera, but I'm going to take a ride. See you in a minute. Just got off of Luigi's, and here's some more cool planters right outside Luigi's. It's like tail lights from cars in the flowers and in like tire planters. Well, they got Cadillac Range. You can sort of see the tail fins from old Cadillacs right there. It's actually modeled after Cadillac Range on old Route 66. That's where they got that idea. But it's looms large. It's like the main thing you see when you first walk into Cars Land here. And of course, they can't have Cars Land without Stanley. Old Stanley, the founder in 1909. It's like Ornament Valley. Oh, you can see the racers going by. This is actually a super fun ride. We'll probably do it at some point. Not sure if it's going to be today, but really love this one. You can't really record because a lot of it's dark, but we might try. It's like a little description of everything you see up there. If you want to pause and check it out, but if you're a really big Cars fan, I highly recommend Radiator Springs Racers. This area is so awesome. Mind your speed as you go. The sheriff's old, but he's not slow. That's a funny set of signs there. And right here's the end of Cars Land, or as you come through here, you're officially leaving. But before we go, one last look here. Anyone that has watched Cars will recognize this scene from the first Cars movie when Lightning's racing up the hill with Porsche. See the bridge back there, the waterfall. Pretty neat. Here's like the little food court area. Got like a lot of good options, like the Lucky Fortune Cookery right there. They even have like a handcrafted beer here. Oh, Disney ducks are over here too. The Pacific Wharf Cafe over there, the blue building, they're known for like their bread bowls. They actually make sourdough fresh in there every day. And they have like a Mexican grill over here. You can get like quick service Mexican, enchiladas and tacos and stuff like that. There's like the little sign sort of tells you what's back here. So if you have a sweet tooth, they have a Ghirardelli right around the corner too. They got some Disney ducks down there. And look, they have like the record catch, 7.5 tons. Oh my God, they caught Eric. They caught Eric. Oh no, you're trapped in the net. Oh wait, he can escape. It's okay. There's an exit, but whatever, you know. But right past the wharf, we'll be doing visiting the booths and stuff and doing this weekend. It's actually the Lunar New Year kickoff, the Year of the Mouse, conveniently. Go Mickey. Actually, I think it's the Year of the Rat, but they changed it to Year of the Mouse for Mickey. But anyway, we're going to be checking out some food offerings, and I think they have special parades and things, so we're going to be doing that this weekend. There's Pixar Pier. We're going to head up there in 1 second, but first, we're going to check the way for Little Mermaid. We're going to go under the sea with a Little Mermaid. It's another walk-on.
Oh, this is a great story. First, Ariel fell in love with a book. Under the sea, since life is with you, we got to be here naturally. Dig in the earth, it's not to play. We got to steer it, you got to hear it under the sea. Please play the bass, please on the chalk. The bass play the glass, the chalk play the top. That goes the bowl, but fish in the bowl is lucky. They ain't for the worst of things. We want to learn folks how to cook. Under the sea, we ought to hook.
We sent her to the right place. Yes, Ursula will help her.
Rings us glossitis, next laryngitis, the voce to me. But you'll find that nowadays I've mended all my ways, repented, seen the light, and made a switch. Why would you die to try to wanna kiss me, girl? Like a boy too shy, gonna kiss me, girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, that's right.
Just got off Little Mermaid and we got stuck on there for an extended period of time. I thought for like 1 second that we were gonna have to get evacuated, but we didn't. We got through. But anyway, also the battery almost died, so that was almost another fail, but you guys made it all the way through, so bonus. All right, let's head over to Pixar Pier. Mickey's Fun Wheel right there. All the things you might see that are poking up are for World of Color. That'll happen later on tonight. They got the credit coaster right behind it. And of course, the sweet Pixar Pier sign with lots of lamp. Actually, when World of Color happens, it'll turn and face World of Color. Got all kinds of cool places like Knick Knacks and Lamplight Lounge. We actually ate in there. I'll link a video for you so you can check it out. Also, if it was a little warmer, I'd be getting some delicious frosted treats over there. They got some like this. It's like a blueberry swirl over there. It is delicious. Anyway, we're gonna hang out here for 1 second. The credit coaster actually comes around here, and here's the launch for the credit coaster right behind Lamplight Lounge here. But here it goes. It's a launch coaster. It's pretty neat, huh? Check out the cool billboards they got over here. It's pretty awesome. Okay, one more time, we're gonna get another picture of the launch because here goes the coaster. You'll see Dash running up, like the water's spitting up on the left side there. Did you guys see Dash going across there? The water squirting up? That's pretty neat. Here's the entrance to the Incredibles. It's like Mrs. Incredible stretched over it. Or Elastigirl, if you want to use her superhero name. Here's a new one. Well, it's pretty new. Jessie's Critter Carousel. We got a max pass for this, so we're going to head on to Toy Story Midway Mania. All right, just got off Midway Mania, and I dominated Eric just a little bit. Just
slightly, yeah. I mean, I think I had a malfunctioning gun.
That's probably what it was.
Yeah.
I think so, because he usually kicks my butt, but I'll take the win. We got Buzz Lightyear here meeting and greeting. Pretty cool. They're right in front of Midway Mini. They got Mr. Potato Head. They got some angry dogs. Spicy all beef hot dogs, $8.99. Or the slightly annoying one, which is only $7.99. Also, the credit coaster goes like right over us here. And we go right under it right there. Here's a close-up shot of Mickey's Fun Wheel. Notice they have some that swing and some that do not. You can choose your own, whichever you want. I would probably choose not swinging if it was me. They got Sadness out here. Aw, Sadness. Also, Bing Bong's is the main shop here. Pixar Pier's got like the most Pixar-y stuff. If you don't have a Bing Bong yet, I suggest getting one. He smells like cotton candy and he's amazing. So I stopped into Bing Bong's to get a memory refresher with Rainbow Unicorn. It's even got Nerds candy on top. That's kind of delicious. I'd highly recommend the Rainbow Unicorn. It's like a little bit of everything. If you stay here long enough, Bing Bong will talk to you.
This is the greatest day of my life.
Anyway, we're outside Bing Bong's now, right underneath the credit coaster. The emotional whirlwind is about to walk on. I don't know if I can do another spinny ride though.
No more spinny rides.
2 in a row about did me Eric in. But it's not too bad though. Get all the Inside Out characters there. Right back here, there's some restaurants, but it's also got the little entrance gates for the Lunar New Year, Year of the Mouse. Looks pretty neat with the lights on. This is like the backside of Pixar Pier, and currently hardly anyone's over this way. Another spinny thing here, but Goofy Sky School is another fun one. Spins you around as you go around in that little car up there. If you can sort of see through the trees, peek of you up there. I mean, from Cars Land, and the lights are coming on Pixar Pier. Oh man, it's real pretty out here right now, guys. I just can't get over this beautiful sunset shot. It's awesome. All right, nightfall's starting to rear its head, but there's Pixar Pier. There's where we came in from by the food court and stuff. We're gonna turn this way, right next to the Little Mermaid ride, and head back this direction towards the Grand Californian. Back that way is Grizzly Peak Pass, but we're not going to go back that way. We're going to head this way, past the Eureka Gold and Timber Company. As you can see, there's very few people. Oh, there's actually people riding that ride right there. It is getting chilly out here tonight, guys. They are brave soldiers. At 57 degrees, they're very, very brave. Because you get drenched on that ride. This area is so neat back here, though. It's like very redwood forest, California, you know? All the trees change over to more like pine trees and things like that. And the water helps too. Oh my gosh, they got so wet. Here's the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. It's actually, I think it closes at 5 or 6 o'clock at night, so we can't go back there right now, but it's like a little play area for kids. They have like jungle gyms and, you know, things to burn off energy. Check out the bear. He looks epic in his lighting there. He's ready to ride the river rapids, which Grizzly River Run is just a walk-on. Of course, 57 degrees. Good luck to you. So anyway, right here is actually the entrance to the Grand Californian. It's right here in the park. It's your own private entrance. It's amazing. And it's definitely one of the reasons we like staying at the Grand Californian. Right in front of this plane that's right behind that sign, they usually have a character meet and greet, but it's too late for that, so just got the plane. And actually back here's where Soarin' is. If you guys know what Soarin' is, it's like a movie simulator ride. Takes you around the world. Right across from Soarin', they got a cool, looks like a little outpost, but it's a gift shop over here. And back here is actually a really good restaurant called Smoke Jumper's Grill. This is one of the ones that I would highly recommend stopping in and checking out. And that's the end of Grizzly Peak. We're back in Hollywoodland. I always like these Mickey balloons. It's like a balloon with Mickey at the inside, but practically I don't know what you would do with it if you had to get on an airplane or whatnot. Hollywoodland's looking nice at night. Here's Carthay Circle. It's their signature dining here. All right, well, we had a great day here in DCA, didn't we?
Yes, it was fun. We got tons done. There was like walk on everything.
I know. It was great, and we rode Midway Mania. And
yeah, we had a small incident, but you know, not us, but you know, a thing. But anyway,
yeah,
it was great. Like we got a little extra time on Little Mermaid. We got, you know, like it was just great. Like DCA is a great like just walk around park and you know admire the atmosphere.
It is. It's very atmospheric because I wouldn't say this is a full day park by any stretch of the imagination, but
yeah, no.
But the vibe really is cool here and the old-timey Hollywood and whatnot. And
right.
I think that's just really what you come for.
Exactly.
And Pixar Pier, of course.
Yep.
That memory refresh that I had was delicious. I would highly recommend that. But anyway, guys, we had a great time tonight. But we're going to go ahead and wrap it up here. It's getting kind of late. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.